Learn to lead. We make winners who lead.
Hello students, greetings from Learn to Lead Academy. Our Firebird Institute of Research and Management, in association with Learn to Lead Academy, will hold a free webinar on 30 days May MAT preparation strategy on April 16th Sunday at 7 p.m. Candidates who want to start their career in management may learn how to be ready for the MBA admission exams with this free webinar and understand how their career will develop once they have their MBA. Visit description box for the registration link. Don't forget to enroll for this webinar to get clear idea about the upcoming May MAT 2023 examinations. All the best, students.
Learn to lead. We make winners who lead.